Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm Muhammad Najmi Imran bin RAZAK and my partner is Muhammad AFIQ bin SHARIFUDDIN. So today I will present for the lab 3, which is PIC input and output interfacing for the segment display and keypad. So I will show all the objective that we achieve. If the odd number is pressed, display the value on the 7-segment display. And when the even number is pressed, all the display will off. And then if the other key is pressed, which means A, B, C, D, hashtag and star, so the 7-segment will display count up 0 to 9. Okay, so I will show you the programming. So this is the programming. Okay, this is for the checking every column. Okay, this is for the keypad location. And then this is for the coding for the odd number, even number, and also for the other key. All right. So I will debug. Okay, the build successful. So I will run using the PIC SimLab, which is I use the PIC 16F877A. And this is the spare part. Okay. So when I press the odd number, so the 7-segment will display. When I press even number, it will off. 3, 4, then off, back. The odd number press, the 7-segment display. The even number press, it will become blank. 7, 8, 9, display again, then 0. Okay, so I will press the other key, which is A. So it will count up 0 to 9. And then it will reset again. Okay. So that's all from me. Thank you.